That's why I love being my own boss. So I didn't want to have to work for anyone else because I didn't want to have to answer or request time off when things happen, emergencies happen. When we moved from Michigan to North Carolina, I left my aging parents up there. One of my sons still lives there. And one of my parents was diagnosed with a non-curable cancer shortly after we moved. So I knew eventually the day was going to come that I'd get the call and have to stop everything and go to Michigan and be with my family. Well, that day came about 15 days ago. And had I worked for someone else, I would have had to get permission to have the time off of work and, have all of that on my shoulders that I was letting my coworkers down, letting my bosses down. Because that's the kind of employee I am. So given this situation, it just proves that I made the right decision for myself and my family to not work for anyone else, to work for myself and make my own money from home on my own terms. So I was able to book a plane for myself to get up to Michigan as fast as I could to be with my mom and my sister so we could all get through this together. Because I am an affiliate marketer and my own boss, I was able to step away from my business for a couple of weeks. Now, walking away from your business for a couple of weeks isn't an ideal situation, and I probably have lost a lot of momentum on this app, but it's something that I needed to do for myself and for my family. I still have a lot of work to do to continue to grow my business, and I will get back on track, and I will continue to do that.